Okay, so this is an unboxing basically. So just clear out of space. Don't mind what you see here. So I have this guy. Yeah, this is kind of awkward. So he has a little ripping in his paw. I mean that's okay because I can literally just chop him up. But he's so cute. He's a little squishy, and he was only $2. He's so cute. Now I have another one, but it's a chick. It's adorable. Just adorable. So, like, it has dipping like this one, except this one has like, wait, that's cannibalism. Just joking. So it's just like a little guy, and he's cute. He was also just $2. So another one I have, which I'm actually going to have to open, which I'm just gonna grab scissors. I can literally only show you the ground. I'm so sorry. Look at my feet. I know that's really awkward for you. I swear to God, where are my scissors? You're probably gonna see a lot of things on the ground, so I'm sorry. Where the heck are my scissors? Okay, I'm gonna have to put you down. It's been so long since I've opened this thing. Oh, I got it without breaking anything. I mean, I knew I would break anything, so the only reason that I can run with this is because it has a holder, and you probably noticed that. But let's just cut this thing. I mean, can I just set you down like I mean, maybe if I just set you more like that. Okay. So this is a little topic. Oh, and disclaimer, I got these all from Kid to Kid. So definitely go over there. As you can see, Kid to Kid. I mean, their stuff is awesome. Let's hear the pop sound. This is amazing. So, just gonna pass that over. Bruh. My holder for this is also an eraser, which is really cool. I have the biggest eraser. Bro, I don't think I know anybody that has kept that stuff. So I got this and sticker. So this is my water bottle. This is gonna go on there. I can show you that at the end of the video though. But she's my second favorite character. I couldn't find a loose one. I hope I'm saying her name right. It's been so long since I've said her name. I know I'm talking really fast. If you need to, just slow down the video. I probably said that fast too, but let me say it again for you. I'm so sorry if I'm going too fast. Okay, I shouldn't have to go that slow. I'm just gonna talk normal. I'm so sorry that if it seems like I'm stuttering a lot and maybe I'm just talking too fast. I'm sorry, and if you need to, just slow down the video or skip some things. The other things are going to have to be in a different video, so like for part 2.